Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Mieka Moments. So for all of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Mieka, and if you like all things fashion, lifestyle, and travel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on any future content that I post. I wanted to come on here and do a quick handbag collection that I have from a specific Black designer that I truly love. I think I've probably been buying his bags for like the last couple years now. Um, his name is Brandon Blackwood. So he's based in New York. Shout out to the up top folks, as I am a fellow born New Yorker. That was a fun fact for all of you that didn't know. Anyway, Brandon Blackwood makes handbags, accessories, boots and shoes, sandals, and he's even stepped into clothing as well. So if you haven't checked him out, I will link his website in the description, but great Black brand design, great designer. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So before we jump right into the handbags, I did, in the honor of doing a video on Brandon Blackwood, I decided to wear one of his pieces. Now this denim jacket, you guys already know, this is Zara. I already told y'all, anytime y'all gonna see me on video, I'm gonna have one or two brands, Zara or Gucci. I don't know, it's just how it is. But this is a denim jacket from Zara. Had it for years, definitely not available anymore. The real detailing of this denim jacket is the balloon sleeves. Like, this is a must have. I don't even think I bought it from Zara when it came out years ago. I actually got it off of eBay. So yeah, that's how popular it was. But this is like my number one go-to cropped denim jacket. But this is not about Zara. This is about Brandon Blackwood. So this Brandon Blackwood, he actually makes these jumpsuits. So these is like an all one-piece jumpsuit. I make sure y'all, maybe I'll pop a picture over here so y'all can see what the full jumpsuit looks like. It's out in the back, but I mean, it's good for working out, yoga, or just running errands. But it does have your back out, and this is a part of his studio collection. So he has like rompers where it's like shorts. He has jersey dresses. And when I say they're all affordable, they're all affordable. Like, I believe this jumpsuit was probably, don't quote me, but I believe it was like $30. Or maybe I got it at a sale. He was doing like 2 for $40. I don't know, but he does sales very often, especially around the holidays. So if you're interested in some like athleisure, comfortable wear for the weekends, or just running errands, or just to work out, yoga, whatever, definitely check it out. But let's get into these handbags. Let's see which one I'm gonna start off with first. Okay, so I decided to start with my first Brandon Blackwood collection. I mean, my first Brandon Blackwood piece from the collection that I have. I think I have about 10 Brandon Blackwood bags. So that just shows you how much I'm into Brandon Blackwood. I feel like I have just as many Gucci bags, which is kind of strange. Yeah. Out of all the Black designers, I buy his brand the most. But okay, let's start this off with this trunk. So this is a denim, like a black denim trunk. This is my first Brandon Blackwell piece. So as you can see, it's super small. It's very petite. So you're not getting a cell phone in this. So when I bought this, it was about the aesthetics. Now, I do like small bags. However, I realized that I could not get my cell phone in this. But the gold hardware, like the brass hardware on here, next level. Like, this is quality. So this is how big the bag is. Like, you can fit your lip gloss, a purse, maybe a compact, and some keys. And then you also have the strap so you can wear it crossbody or just on your shoulder. But I mean, it's just quality. And then it even has like the buttons on the bottom, so that way when you sit it down, you're not like messing it up. But it's these trunks, they come in all different colors. They come in metallic. They come in, you have this denim cloth. They come in the lighter denim. They have just all different types of colors. So whatever you need, this is definitely, it's a cute evening bag. It's a cute during the day bag. You're going to brunch with your girlfriends. You're going out for a date night. Is versatile, but just keep in mind, you're not going to be wearing you're not going to be fitting in your no phone in here. So that's the only downfall. But if you think about it, after I thought about it, most of the time when you're out anyway, you got your phone in your hand. Now, I don't know about you because I take a lot of pictures and I take a lot of videos. But yeah, so I mean, most of the time you have it in your hand anyway, so you really don't need to have it in the bag. So yeah, that's how I convinced myself that this was a good purchase. Okay, so in the spirit of trunks, I had to get this one. Like, this was like a special edition collection. This gold metallic, baby. Do y'all see this? And you don't like the weight on this. Oh, it's heavy. And I love that they added this big B. Let's turn it this way. As the clamp instead of the other clamp that was on the other one. Again, it comes with the strap, super small. It's tough. Like, it's quality. This is a favorite, and funny enough, I have not worn this bag yet. Oh no, I did wear this. I wore this when I was in Dallas last year. So yeah, this is probably my favorite. Like, it's just such good quality. It's sturdy. It's just, and honestly, for the price point, I mean, the prices that you pay for like these high-end designers, this is my high-end designer in black, in a black brand. So yes, at one point, like I said, I bought it. It was on a special edition, so they were only offering a certain amount, and they sold out. But now I think he sells them all the time because of the popularity. So when they did the second drop, I was obsessed. So I said, let me go with this. I don't even know the iridescent. I don't even know what the color is, but this is just like a little clutch. So there's no straps on this. It's just, oh, there's a chain. So there's a chain. See, I haven't even worn it yet. There's a chain that you can put on here and you can wear it like crossbody. And again, the B, oh, I just love it. It's just something to hold in your hand. Super sexy. Again, with the branding. I mean, Brandon Blackwood, he just gets it right. And I'm all about somebody that gets it right, but makes it look rich. Because I'm all about my luxury vibes. And this bag, this little clutch, it's just a clutch. So you're going to fit your keys and your lip gloss or your lipstick. That's it. But it's good. This is a nighttime bag. So you can wear this at night. So in the evening, so that way you don't need much. So yeah, definitely go check this out on their website because I'm going to believe it's still available. And I think they have it in the slim trunk version. So they have the fat trunk, the slim trunk, and then this little clutch. Let me guys know what you think about this one and which one is your favorite. All right, so next up it's a card wallet. It's like a card case. It's just for your cards, like literally. Again with the B for the closure. And then it has the chain that you can clamp. It looks like a little cigarette case. And the rhinestones are, or Swarovskis are, I don't think they're Swarovskis, but they're blue. It comes in blue. I think they have a pink one and an orange one. But this is just something to wear. Like I said, it's just cards. It's just a card case. So you're not putting any lip gloss or anything in there, but it's a sleek, chic look. And like I said, I just love Brandon Blackwood. So I'm like, I'm going to add it to the collection. Yeah, this is something that like if you have pockets, like if I had this on with this, I could put my lip gloss in here. So I'm good. And then I'm either holding my keys in my hand or I can put my lip gloss in another pocket that I may have or give it to my husband to hold. I don't know. But yeah, if you don't like small bags, this is not the video for you. But actually, you should look at this video in its entirety because you may think about to buy someone one of his items for a gift because he does have bigger bag options. I'm just a small bag girl. Okay. All right. So I forgot about this one. I had to go run and get it. This is not a bag. This is just a cell phone case. So literally, again, with that signature B, it's almost like people will think you is what is it? Bottega or Balenciaga, whatever them B brands are. But this B is like, it's so luxe. But again, I'm a minimalist when it comes to like bags. So like if I'm out on the go, I'm running errands, I'm headed to the grocery store or just want to shop and don't want to have a whole bunch of stuff in my hand, my phone goes in here. I need 3 cards. My 3 cards go in here. ID, credit card. Pretty much that's all you need. 2 cards if you want 2 credit cards, depending on how much you plan on spending. But yeah, it's cute. Like, and it's good quality. Like, here's the one thing I can say. Like, this is quality. His brands are made with quality material. I hate when you buy these Black designer brands and they're like, or just designer brands in general that are just not good quality material. Brandon makes a good quality bag and accessories. So yeah, this one comes in a like a dark green as well. I was thinking about getting that. It's like an army green, almost similar to this one, but a little darker. So if you don't want black, you can get it in green. All right, y'all. So I have 5 more bags to show you, but 4 of them are just the same. They're the same bag. They're his ESR totes. They're just in different colors. So again, these bags all come in different colors, different patterns, and they can fit a lot more than the trunks. So that's why I like them, because they all come with a strap. So you can wear it as a crossbody or over your shoulder. These ESR totes are for his foundation. Read it, get into it, because this is where we're at right now in systemic racism. Yep. Black Lives Matter. All lives matter. DEI. No. But yeah, so this is my denim one, because y'all know I love me some denim. This is like a jade green. So this one has the gold, the brass detailing. This one has the nickel detailing on the name for the ESR. This one is like a mocha, not a mocha. I would say like a sandy neutral sandstorm, like a gray sandstorm. And then last, I got it in white. So yeah, so those are my 3 ESR totes. I think Brandon Blackwood has like a foundation. So I think all the proceeds or part of the proceeds of the sales from those bags goes to that, his foundation. All right, so I have 1 more bag to show you all. And this one I just recently got because I was doing a lot of work travel and I needed something that fits like all my travel stuff that I need quick access to, my laptop, my headphones, iPad, like all of that stuff. So I was like, I need something that I can just take on with the plane with me as a carry-on, but still be cute, chic, and this is where it is. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This bag right here, this is a tote. I think this just came out. I'm trying to get it so I can sit it up here because it's so big. Yes. It's a canvas material, so it's easy to wipe off. As you can see, it has the Brandon Blackwood stitching for the branding. Okay, it's a unique style. So it's like you can fold it, like when I'm like sitting, if you have to put it under your seat, you can fold it down like that and it's not going to mess up the construction of the bag, because I'm very big on like constructions of the bag. I don't like a bag that it has like over time, like the construction is messed up. Like I still keep my stuffing in my bags. It also comes with the little bag charm that also says Brandon Blackwood in the nickel. You can carry it like 2 ways. If you want to carry it like this, because you just want to take this could be like an overnight bag. So if you're just doing like an overnight, like a day trip or an overnight bag to a friend's house, actually it's kind of big enough to do more than overnight. You can do like a weekend trip, like a weekend bag. This can be like a weekend bag too. Or it has the longer straps. Again, good quality leather, so it doesn't look like it's going to be peeling. Like, some of those bags, like they peel. Not this one. It's a good quality. It doesn't hang too long, but you can you can get through the airport if you need to. And then in the inside, it comes with a zipper pocket, so you can throw some stuff in there for easy access on that side. It comes with 2 slots here. So 1 slot, you can slide your cell phone in, maybe like a battery charger. And then baby, it also comes with, I don't know what this is, or my stuff that was in here. A little pouch with the zipper on the front and the back. And it actually connects into the bag, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And inside this, there's slots and zippers. So it's definitely, like I said, this is a good weekend bag. Ooh, almost dropped the bag. This is a good weekend bag, travel bag, easy, breezy, beautiful. So that is it for the Brandon Blackwood collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if there's any other bag collections or any other collections that you would like me to focus on and post, go ahead and leave it in the comments, because yeah, I'm open for new ideas. Until next time, bye.